Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, we are going to just do a little day in the life. But today we are hanging out with my two pregnant sisters. So we're going to be doing a family photo shoot, getting ready for that, and then going to hang out at my mom's by the pool. So we're gonna go do that. I am going to get ready and just show you kind of what we get up to today. So I'm gonna do my quick little summer makeup. I just need to cover up a few blemishes and then put some mascara on, some brow gel, and be on our way. I need to do my hair. So I'm going to show you a little bit of my getting ready, and then we will do our hair and get dressed and head to the photo shoot. So let's go. Damn, who that is? Whose 5 or 10 is that?
Oh, that's me.
Going to put some waves into my hair really quick, and then while my curler heats up, I'm going to just get my outfit on so we're ready to go. Okay guys, we are out of here. I was gonna wear a different dress, but I could not find the appropriate underwear bra situation. I think it's like see-through maybe, so this is the one we're going with. I think it's cute, and we're out of here because we are late. But I feel tan and cute, so that's fun. Look at my handsome.
Oh my god, you're so beautiful.
No, you.
Alright, you give me $5 now for saying that.
What? Okay, this is what I did with my hair. I literally just threw like maybe like 10 curls in it, and then I brushed it out. Yes, can we go to Tim Hortons, please? So yeah, I just brushed it out, and I think it looks like pretty good actually. And threw my dress on, the one that didn't show my bra and underwear, and then I just threw this on over top, but I'm not gonna wear it for the photos because Brandon always says that I look like a doctor, so that's nice. But I'm excited for the pictures. I think they're gonna look cute. Squad's here.
We did our curls today.
Guys.
Chloe, does my belly look big today?
A little bit.
Pardon?
Little bit.
And what?
Little bit. Little bit.
Oh, a little bit?
Yeah.
Ashley's belly's blogging your belly.
Yeah.
Boom, boom, boom. I'm catching up. So handsome.
It's going like
You look so pretty, Chloe.
we go flying.
Are you excited for pictures? Show me the faces you're gonna make.
Like.
Oh, oh my, you're so pretty. Let's see a silly one. Oh, girl. Oh, Chloe, that's not nice.
Chloe, look over here. Come on, you look so pretty.
Oh, seen before.
Who's that? That's Chase. He's crazy.
Silly, Lily, silly.
Yeah, there's only 2.
Say hi.
You get a tongue.
Hey you guys, the pictures are all done. We're heading home. My hair fell pretty flat in the weather, the heat, but we got some cute pictures. They went pretty quickly, and now we're going to swim at my parents' house. So we're heading there. We're just gonna hang out, have some snacks, relax a little bit, and that's pretty much what we're gonna get up to. There's Brandon looking cute.
Looking like a snack.
Looking like a snack, but we're going to go. And next time you see me, I'll probably be in a bathing suit because I need to get my tan on. Cheese.
Okay.
Pardon?
I can go for some chips right now.
You can't eat in the pool, you'll get a cramp. You big baby.
Chelsea's oldest child.
Lily.
My
That's my water. That's Auntie's water, actually. This is my water. Would you like some? Okay, I'll get you some. You come with? Can you come with me? Okie dokie. Ah, swimming! How old are you? You don't even know? You're gonna be 4 next week. Where we going, Lil? We're hungry? Are you gonna get food? Gonna have dinner? What are you gonna eat? What? French fries? Yummy.
Which one?
Ooh. Taste test.
That's the one you like? Okay.
We're in a car that Brandon's friend let us borrow or whatever, I don't know, use for the night. So we're just hanging out. It's a Jaguar. What year, do you know? 2011? 2011 Jaguar, and it's massaging my back currently, so that's fun. We're gonna go show my sister and her husband because we got nothing better to do. It's Sunday night, and that's about it for now. Hello, you guys. It's the next day. So yesterday we took the car and went to see a few people and just hung out. We didn't do anything too crazy, but it got pretty late. So we just came home and went to bed. But today we are just hanging out. I got this new breastfeeding nursing bra, whatever, from H&M that everyone talks about. And I actually really like it. Here's baby, if you're wondering. Looking big and crazy. I still blows my mind that we're pregnant. But yeah, so today I'll take you along with me as well. We're gonna have Lily for a little bit, so that's exciting. Show you kind of what we get up to and what we're doing. Okay guys, I just quickly threw on a top and some shorts. So I'm still unsure if I want to keep these shorts. I just got them yesterday and they look cute from the front. Cute, but then from the side, because we have a bump, they look a little large. But I don't know, I feel like I might just keep them because I have no other pants or like bottoms for summertime that are not black. So I might keep them, but I just feel like they make me look quite large. But that's okay. At least it's just a baby bump. I'm going to go grab Lily now, and then we're gonna come back and make some food because I'm hungry and I need to eat breakfast. So I just have a water going right now. I'm gonna drink that, grab Lily, and then I will be back and show you what we get up to for the day. We got Lily. You say hi. Hi. And we're gonna make, what are we gonna make?
Yeah.
Pancakes?
Yeah.
Yay! Are you hungry?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay, let's make pancakes.
Boing.
Boing, boing, boing.
Okay.
Those are breakable.
Why?
Because they're made of glass. That's the doggies.
Pool.
There's a pool?
Yeah.
We have a pool?
Yeah.
Are we gonna go play later in a pool?
Yeah.
Are we gonna go to the beach? Yeah. That'd be so fun. Let's eat. What are you doing? Whose hat is that?
Uncle B.
Uncle B, Uncle B. Where's Uncle B?
No.
I don't know. Oh. Say, we're cooking pancakes. Is that what we're doing? Let me see. So we need this. Okie dokie. Check. We need a bowl. Okay. One of those. Are you gonna help me mix? You don't put that in there. You silly girl. Are you cuckoo? Are you gonna mix, mix, mix? Mix, 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 mix. Auntie put in?
Yeah.
1 cup, ready? You dump. Yay! good job. There we go. Ready? Mix, mix. Mix, mix like this. Oh, whoa. Mix, mix.
Daddy.
It's dirty.
Yeah.
We gotta mix it so that it makes pancakes. Auntie help you?
No.
You mix. Good job, Miss Lily. Are you a chef? Yeah. Ooh.
Paya.
Pancakes.
Paya.
You say pancake?
Pinky.
Yes, good job. Num 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 num. Is it good? We do a good job? Yeah. What does Uncle think?
Oh, Daddy. I haven't won a prize yet.
Yummy, yummy. He approves. Let's go, girlfriend. The doggies are waiting for us. Is that funny? Look it, they want to hang out. That's so funny. Hi, doggies. Let's do Lily's hair. This way. Wow, look at your hair. You have so much hair now. Can we wet it? Okay, ready? Oh, it's all wet. Stop playing with your dough. You don't need that. You don't need that. No, 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 you don't need a dough. Lily doesn't need a dough. We're almost done. Don't you worry. Are you looking at yourself? Who's that pretty girl? That Lily Mae?
Yeah.
Are you my niece? Am I your auntie?
Yeah.
Yes. You want to put some on your hair? Dip your finger in. Oh, put it on your hair. Good job. Whoa, too much, too much. There you go. All done. Now you got it all over your face. Let me see. Dry, dry, dry. Let me see your hair for a sec. Dry, dry, dry. Look at me. Oh, look at all your curls.
I'm sleeping now.
Ready to go?
Yep.
You putting your shoes on my couch? Wrong foot, silly girl. Good job. Your curls look so pretty. And you got your pretty sunglasses on? Diva. Are you sleeping? No, you're not sleeping.
Peppa the pig.
Lily, good morning. Good morning, Lily. The car is too hot. We gotta get out. Come on, silly girl. We gotta get up. Oh, it's okay. Wanna go inside? Take a nap? And then we'll go to the beach? Okay, let's go inside. You wanna stay in here?
Yeah.
Why? Oh, you sad? You make Auntie sad. Let's go inside.
Yeah.
You want a snack? No snack? Oh my goodness, she's broken. Say, I'm happy again.
I'm happy, Dad.
No more tears?
And my teeth.
What do you got, a snack?
Fat
What is that?
person.
You love popcorn? Yeah. Are you so pretty? Yeah. Cool, cool. We're gonna have a snack and then we go hang out.
Yep.
Can I have one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
What are you doing, Lils? What are you doing? No, I'm fine.
You playing in the sand?
I just smile.
Say, Mama, I'm eating ice cream.
Mama,
Ice cream.
awesome.
Yum. Yummy, yummy, yum. guys, it is a few days later. I never officially filmed an outro, so I just wanted to come on here and say thank you so much for watching. We pretty much just brought Lily home and then relaxed a little bit. So that was the end of the day. Nothing else exciting happened, but that is everything. So with that being said, I hope you have an amazing day, week, month, or year. I love you, and remember to always be nice to people. Bye.